welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically match cut audio on CapCut PC automatically. So go to the audio section or you can import your own, and I'm just going to add in the audio right here. So to automatically match cut it, just simply select this auto beats. You can select B1 or beats 2, which has more. If you just zoom in by pressing Control and the plus button, or you can zoom in here as well. Don't know why this is not working, but anyways, you can also add in your own beats by pressing Control J on your keyboard. I don't know why my keyboard is not working. But you're just going to press Control J on your keyboard, or you can select this here to add in more beats. If you want to delete it, just simply press it again or press Control J over the beats like so. Or if you want to clear them all together, just select this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!